And then 2 pineapple juice. So do you want me to put it in a box?
Yes, please.
Yeah? Have you had lumpia before?
Yes, I love lumpia.
Here you go, sir. Thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you, ma'am.
So you have dynamite lumpia and then the loaded lumpia. And you
Thank
also have 2 pineapple juice.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you had lumpia before?
No, ma'am.
First time?
First time.
I hope you enjoy it, okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you, enjoy.
Happy Wednesday mga ka-Rollings! This is Cecilia and welcome to Rolling Lumpia Food Truck dito sa Jacksonville, North Carolina. For today's video mga ka-Rollings, isi-share ko sa inyo itong ating Tocino Spam Special na talaga namang naging hit din sa ating food truck mga ka-Rollings. Ayan guys, another item na pwede nyong idagdag sa inyong mga menu. At napakadaling gawin mga ka-Rollings, ipiprito nyo lang yung inyong spam. At syempre yung lumpia nyo naman ay laging available. So ayan guys, yung ating lumpia or Tocino Spam Special ay merong isang scoop ng rice, 2 spam, at Tocino Spam yan mga ka-Rollings, okay? Kasi gusto nila yung Tocino Spam for some reason. Kasi nga may special na kakaibang taste. Manamis-namis daw mga ka-Rollings. At may 4 na pirasong lumpia mga ka-Rollings. Huwag natin kalimutan ang ating dahon ng saging. Ayan guys, I hope na makatulong to sa inyong food business. Thank you for watching. Enjoy! Happy Thursday mga ka-Rollings. Ayan guys, share ko lang sa inyo yung ating plating ng pansit bihon. So meron yan 2 lumpia. And syempre, dinagdagan natin ng gulay guys. Dating $13, ngayon ay $14 na dahil alam nyo naman, nagmahal na ang bilihin natin dito. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to follow and share. Happy Wednesday mga ka-Rollings! Alam nyo ba na marami tayong mga kababayan dito sa Jacksonville na nagtitinda ng mga gulay? Guys, makakabili na rin kayo dito ng sigarilyas, upo, patola, ampalaya, sitaw, kangkong, dahon ng talbos ng kamote, at kung ano-ano pa kaya hindi nyo na mamimiss yung gulay sa Philippines. At ayan nga guys, napabili tayo ng sigarilyas at magluluto tayo ng sinigang with gabi and ground beef. Ayan guys, igigisa lang natin yung ating ground beef sa sibuyas, kamatis at bawang. And then guys, ilalagay na rin natin yung ating gabi dyan. Syempre, lalagyan natin ng seasonings na salt and pepper. Nilagyan din natin yan guys ng sinigang mix. Papakuluan nyo lang lahat sila mga ka-Rollings at pagka naluto na yung inyong karne at inyong gabi ay ilalagay nyo na ang inyong sigarilyas or gulay. Ayan na mga ka-Rollings, ready na, kain na po tayo. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!
Hey mga ka-Rollings, ayan, merong test si Mama para sa kanyang US citizenship on Monday. And testingin natin guys kung makakasagot siya. Okay, first question. How many US senators are there? 100. Nakasama yung sagot mo, Nay. Mami, stop. Nakasama yung sagot mo. What does the 50 stars in the flag represents? Ito na, what does the 50 stars in the flag represents?
50 state.
Okay, what does the 13 stripes in the flag represents?
13 original colonies.
Very good. Okay, name 3 original state. 3
original Virginia, South Carolina, North Carolina.
Wow, very good. Who is the commander-in-chief of the military?
President.
Very good. Who, wait lang. When is the last day you can send in federal income tax forms?
April 15.
Wow.
Mayor. Ano mo yung mayor?
Who is the mayor?
Sammy Phillips.
Wow. Galing nito ha. Makakapasa na to. Ito na. Name one of the two longest rivers in the United States.
Mississippi and Missouri.
Wow! Name one U.S. territory.
What?
Name one U.S. territory.
Guam.
Okay. Name one state that borders Mexico.
California.
What is the capital of the United States?
Washington, D.C.
Where is the Statue of Liberty?
New York.
Name one state that borders Canada.
New York.
Oh, very good. Okay guys, makakapasa na to si Mama. When do we celebrate Independence Day?
July.
July.
July 17. July.
July what? When do we celebrate Independence Day? July what?
July 4.
Okay, very good. Okay na.